There you go. Go.
What's up, YouTube? Jeff here again with another scrapping tip. I've got a little small, let's see, air purifier. I'm not going to get much out of these. Most of this is all plastic. I'm going to do a couple of videos here pretty soon. This is going to start this one. I'm going to be a little more thorough. I've already started taking some of this stuff apart. I've opened it up. You're going to need drill, pliers, wire cuts, bits, utility knife, and possibly a manual screwdriver too. The next video that you're gonna see is gonna be a little different. I've got another heater that I'm gonna take apart, but I'm gonna do it the fun way, and I'll get into that here in a little bit further here in the next video. I'm gonna start by again opening it up. Snip the wires. Toss that off to the side. Pull this fan part out. Okay. Now you're going to open that up right there. Now there's going to be 4 screws. There, and there. I'll take those off. Mainly the only thing, piece of plastic, get out of here. Mainly the only thing you're going to get out of this, holy crap, they busted this thing. No, I didn't bust it, they did. Trust me, that's my next video. This basically is all you're going to get out of this. You've got a big copper bearing motor right here. I'll take these apart because that's got a lot of copper in it. And that's the good stuff. Pull these wires up through here. Wires up through there. And there is 2 little screws right here. Damn it. Get out of there. Oh, holy crap, that about took my head off. Get out of there. Alright. Pull these wires loose from there. These wires loose from there. Okay, there you got that little motor. Right there. I'll cut all these wires off. And to get these apart, you take those 2 screws out of there. These pieces pop off. This piece here and that piece there is cast aluminum. And then to get this open, set this on the ground and use... I didn't bring my hatchet. Crap. I smacked this with a hatchet and it spreads this out and makes that slide out. Now this here, there is a couple, oh, there went all my screws. Couple switches. I haven't really got into opening switches up, so I don't really know if there's anything in them that's kind of important. I'm sure there is, because obviously you've got to have something important to make the switch work. Let's see if I can pop this out. Nope. Get out of there. Damn it. Slide that up out of there. Cut the plug. I call this mid-grade wire. It's a little bit thicker than this stuff here, so you're going to have more copper inside of it. So they pay you better for this than they do this. All the rest of that stuff is just plastic. I'm going to take that, do all that stuff away, and there you have it. That is how you take apart an air purifier. Again, like I said before, like the video, shoot me a like, shoot me a comment. Like I said, tell me what you want to see. You know, I'll try to do it. Alright, thank you.